Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about 3D design software. You probably downloaded Blender and it probably didn't go so well. Don't worry, it's okay. It's not a bad program, it's just kind of hard on novices. I went through the same thing. You're going to need something more fundamental to get started and maybe work your way back into the more advanced programs. I've been using Tinkercad, and I've been using it for a while now. Now, don't let the name deceive you. It is actually an extremely powerful program. But I'm getting to a point where I feel like I might be able to go back to Blender because I'm starting to see the limitations of Tinkercad. However, those limitations are few and far between, and the system is growing. I highly recommend it. Anyways, today I want to show you how to create a profile and start by putting an object on the work plane, resizing it, reshaping it, and that's it. A simple introduction. Every video hereafter will be the next step, the next level in Tinkercad from what I've learned, so that maybe you too can progress in the 3D design environment and eventually work your way back towards the more advanced programs. Welcome to Voltage 3D. And here we are. This is their homepage. Nice and friendly like I told you. It's very simple to get started. Just simply click the join button, fill out some information, and come back and you're ready to go. Or if you've got a Gmail or Apple account, you can hit the sign in button and get started right away. Welcome to your Tinkercad homepage. Below me is where you're going to keep all of your successes and failures. What we're going to do now is we're going to click this button right here, Create New Design. Once you hit that, I'll see you down at the work plane. Here is your work plane. Your work plane is currently set to millimeters. If you don't care for millimeters and you prefer inches, simply go to Edit Grid and change it to inches and update your grid. But for the purpose of this video, we will be using millimeters. Over on the right here, you can see we have a series of objects to choose from. Today we're just going to choose the box. Left click on the box and drag it to anywhere on your work plane. To move the box around, left click on it and drag it to wherever you like. To move around the box, simply right click and drag the work plane around the box to anywhere you want to view it from. Notice the little box in the top left corner is following you, telling you exactly where you're at, or point of view. This little guy can give you quick snap points as to where to view the object. To go back to your original position, simply click Home. Another means to move the object is incrementally using the arrow keys. Notice as I press left, right, up, or down, it will shift in its position. You can change the incrementation of the movement by going over here. From very coarse to very fine. Holding the key down will keep the object moving in that direction for as long as you wish. To zoom in or out, scroll the mouse wheel forward or back. You can also use something called Fit View, or hit F. You can also move the object above or below your work plane by simply clicking on this black triangle here. Notice on the right it tells you how many millimeters above or below the work plane you are. You can simply adjust it manually by typing it in here. And if you wish to get it back to 0, simply put it in a 0. To adjust the size and shape of this box, you have many options. To begin, we have these boxes here. The black box works on a single plane. The white box works on 2 planes. Over here, we also have the option to adjust the length, width, and height in real time. If you have specific numbers that you want to put in, you can adjust them here manually. You can also select a particular edge or plane and adjust them manually as well. If you wish to scale an object and maintain its shape, you can simply hit the Shift key and drag it to whatever size you want. Notice the numbers are consistent on all the planes and edges. If you have a particular size in question that you want, simply release the Shift key, pick a plane, and type in your number, and the rest will follow. An important function in this program is the undo and redo option here. To undo an object, simply click here or use the hotkey listed as Ctrl-Z. It will take you through every iteration of the object as you changed it. If you wish to return to a previous state, simply redo or Ctrl-Y. And there it is, a very simple introduction to Tinkercad. I know these fundamentals can be kind of boring, but we all have to start somewhere. Anyways, if you found this tutorial helpful in any way, please leave a like, a subscribe, hit that bell icon, maybe a comment down below about what you'd like to see or something I missed. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.